Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install an OEM manifold cover and a subsequent manifold cover. I don't know what you call this thing. Cover for your cover. This is a red Type R one. This is going to be your NA2 setup, I believe. Type R setup versus the OEM USDM lid cover right here, and this is an aftermarket painted red OEM manifold cover. So here's the part number for the red one. I believe that's the part number for this piece right here. This is separate, purchased separately. I'll try to drop the part numbers in the video description if I can find them, but it should be very simple. I think it's just going to be a 10mm socket needed with an extension and a 5mm Allen, and a 5mm if you want to use your socket as well. So these 5mm Allen head bolts will be on top, and then you'll have, I think, two more 10mm bolts on the bottom. So let's get into it. Okay, my mistake. There are four 10mm bolts here. So it's going to be as easy as removing this piece and replacing it with your new one. Cool Easter egg. These are all magnesium, as well as the valve covers. Go ahead and grab the new one, which has the DOHC VTEC on the cover itself. Carefully slide it into place. Line up the bolts and install. Okay, the torque spec for these is 9 pound-feet. I wouldn't worry about it too much if you don't have a torque wrench that goes down that low. Just tighten it by hand. Now install your cover, and the torque for these are also 9. And there you have it. Really simple, quick, and easy install. Just 6 fasteners and you're done. And you're looking very, very good. Very updated look. So I think that'll do it for this video. I appreciate you watching. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Otherwise, I will see you in the next one.